Hi guys, this is Shaib Mama and welcome to Crypto Mama's channel. It has been a very long time. I made a video on trading, either on forex or cryptocurrencies. Almost 3 months now, I have not made a video on any of these particular topics. So in today, there's a very important development in the cryptocurrency market, which I think is necessary. I make this particular video to share an update on what is currently going on in the market, what you should expect in the future. I remember all the content shares in this video are not investment advice, but they are for educational purposes and my personal opinions regarding the cryptocurrency market in general. And I'll be using Bitcoin for this particular content because most of the cryptocurrency market or generally the cryptocurrency market follows the direction of Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin is going up, every other cryptocurrency will go up, and when Bitcoin is going down, all other cryptocurrencies will follow suit. So let's go straight to BTC USD chart, and we see what is currently happening in the chart. So when you come to Bitcoin USD chart, you can see that the market was in a downtrend from this area. The market made this low, retraced, and made a lower high here, made a lower low, and this was our final lower low. And the market did what? The market started trending to the upside, and this low, when this low was broken around here, it was traded through around here. That was when the market switched structure from a bearish structure to a bullish structure. So on February 23rd of this year, the market switched bullish. And after the switch, mostly after the switch, the market will always retraces at least to 50% Fibonacci ratio before making any other upward move. So from here, when you take your Fib and you anchor your Fib from this low to this area, sorry, this is the final low here. So from this low to the high, you see that the market retraces to exactly, it didn't even close below the 50% before making the further move to the upside. And you can see that from the market on its way going to the upside, the market did one thing. One, it created this W pattern you can see here. The market created this W pattern. When you go to the weekly time frame, you will see it very clear. The market created this W pattern. I told you anytime you see this particular pattern, you should expect the market to do what? To traces to a neckline before making any other move to the upside or depending on the overall direction of the market. And also, when you look at the trend that was happening, the market started trending from here. See this low? So the first indicator of the market making a failed swing after this low was created. And this trend line was holding all this move to the upside. See, the market started here and the trend line held here for the second time. It held there for the third time. But here, the trend line broke this particular area. But before even the trend line breaking here, you could see that the market traded to this liquidity area here, the demand zone here. And after trading to that area, it's a very strong area. And after trading to that area, what we should be expecting is either the market will trade through it, then make a deeper retracement before continue going to the upside. But the market has failed to trade through it. Low. You see this low here. This was the last low that created this high. So this low here is a very decisive low. It's our decision low. If this low is broken or the market even trade through this low, it means that something like this should occur. The market should trade through this low. It means that all the option we are seeing here has been what? Invalidated. So if the market should trade through this, we expect maybe a retracement to at least maybe touch the trend line once again. Then we see a meltdown continuously to at least this low or trade all the way back to the neckline. So from here, The major thing we are waiting for at the moment is this low. The first sign that we could be starting to change direction to the downside is this trend line here being broken. But it doesn't necessarily mean anything, but it's our first sign that the trend is changing, because you could see this trend line has held for three times, and the fourth time it failed to help to hold. Our second, which is the major one, will be this low getting taken out. If this low is taken out, what we'll do is we'll wait for retracement. Once again, we'll take our FIP once again from here to wherever the low is created, and we'll be trading around the 50% ratio and targeting the W neckline. So from at the moment where what Bitcoin is currently doing is that we are seeing something that could be like a possible switch in direction to the downside, which is very likely at the moment. And you can even see that when it comes to Ethereum, you could see that Ethereum also, it was holding this trend line. It hold first, second, third, fourth, fifth. And the sixth one failed to hold. So since Ethereum has also even broken this trend line, and Ethereum has also done what? Ethereum has caused a break in market structure. You see, it has made a lower low here. This is what Ethereum has done. It has made a high here and a lower low here. So after this lower low that is created, you expect the market to at least trade and retest the trend line before melting to the downside. So Ethereum has even given us further confidence and confirmation that the market is actually switching right now. And after this switch, Ethereum, we expect the market to do a take out this low, take out this low, take out this low, and possibly trade all the way back to the $800, $900 region. So when you come back to Bitcoin, you could see that the market was even moving in a channel. And after what? The channel was broken here. That's another thing, a weak trend. When the market starts moving in a channel, it means that at a particular moment, the channel has become weak. And the channel has broken here, which has also taken out what? The trend line that is holding the market to the upside. After what? Grabbing liquidity from this high here and trade to the supply zone around here. So the next thing is this low getting taken out. After this low is taken out, you can be 100% sure that this low will be taken out and this one will be taken out. This to trade to the neckline, and if possibly the overall low of 15,000 region will also be taken out. So until then, 24K, 24.7K region, that is the very decisive region for Bitcoin at the moment. If Bitcoin takes out that particular low, all these lows are all getting taken out. So tap cool and keep monitoring the price action of Bitcoin, and keep monitoring on 24.7K region. If that region is taken out, you need to wait for at least maybe 50% retracement, then you go short or you exit your positions on Bitcoin. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. We'll talk more on crypto and forex trading. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell, as well as share this particular video for other people to benefit from the content shared.